quite frankly, the vibe for today is Jesus take the wheel. Send help for me. My energy levels for today are around 30% and my motivation is hovering somewhere near a 5. The caffeine is not helping. So I've decided that I need to have a little bit of a mini reset, need to organize myself, need to get my life to be less all over the place. And since a fun fact about me is that I love to watch other people cleaning in their videos, like I could sit down and watch that for hours in the time that I should be spending doing my own cleaning. Anyway, I thought that maybe you'd like to join me on this little cleaning reset morning of mine as a little bit of cleaning motivation. So let's do it. No, first more coffee, then we clean. At first sight, it doesn't look too bad in here. I just have a lot of stuff that's like in random places, not where it needs to be, kind of spread out all over the floor. Yeah, we need to fix that. Ugh. This is the least cluttered my desk can be because I just don't have anywhere to put these tripods and my ring light, so they just have to stay up here. And then this container with my makeup brushes should be up here on this shelf, but as you can see, it's looking a little dodgy. So I'm gonna have to reinforce that somehow before I put this back on there. But look at the state of these makeup brushes. These are going to have to be cleaned today too. This is the Nook of Doom. Initially, the intention for this space was to have somewhere where I would put things that I use regularly, so I wouldn't have to be in and out of drawers. I could just grab the things I need. But clearly, now it's just a dumping ground for everything. We have my manifestation journal. Oh my gosh, I need to return this book to the library. My regular journal. Ah! Oh no. I'm gonna read this next. A VHS. Awesome. Clearly something very important that I need to have instant access to. This is my reflector for when I'm making videos. More books. What do we got? You're not allowed to judge me, okay? But the other day I was in the charity shop. It was 2 books for £1, and so I bought Interview with a Vampire and then also Erica Jane's autobiography. I don't care, okay? I stand with Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, and there's nothing else I can really say about that to justify my choice to buy that book. It was for a good cause. Charity shop. Here's my empties basket. That actually is useful to have in there. More books. The problem is the bookcase downstairs is full, so I don't really have anywhere to put all these books. And I know what you're thinking. Amy, just buy less books. I don't want to do that. Okay, let's see what we can get rid of here. So this is the proof copy of the children's book I wrote last year. Yeah, I think last year. I don't think I've ever mentioned this to anybody, but I wrote a children's book. But I don't need the proof copy because it's got this big banner across the front and that's ugly. I have the final copy here, so I'll just keep that. Harry Potter cocktail book. It's a must keep, okay? I said what I said. This is my old manifestation journal, so that can go up into my manifestation box. Yes, I have a manifestation box. I want to keep these. Oh, cute! Look at me and my friend Carrie. We are rocking those hats. Focus, Amy. You've got a job to do. Kindle, I will need. This other book I wrote. I swear there are books on this shelf other than books that I wrote. This is not an advert for me. I feel like these half-used notebooks can be recycled because I have so many notebooks. This is my planner from like 2019, so that can go. Now I need to put away my laundry, preferably without flashing you all of my underwear. Alexa, what's the best way to water a cactus?
1/4 to ½ cup every week or 2 is enough for your cactus to thrive, depending on the season.
I'm so sorry, you've clearly been severely underwatered. Now we need to clean the makeup brushes. Laundry. Why do I only have one slipper? Where is it? Like, it's gotta be here somewhere. Ah, got it. Whew. That's 2 hours of cleaning done, and I feel pretty good about it. Don't get me wrong, there is still plenty of stuff that needs to be done, like organizing my wardrobe, because that's kind of become a little bit of a disaster. Clearing out underneath my bed. Oh my gosh, that has just become, you know, like the nook of doom over here? Under my bed is like the cave of doom. It's really not looking so great right now, but I'm not going to attempt to tackle that today. That's something we're going to circle back to at a later date. I'm pleased with what I achieved today. I hoovered, I dusted, I cleaned off my desk, I washed my makeup brushes, I did the laundry, organized the nook of doom. Everything just feels a little bit more fresh and organized, and it's a nicer space to be in now. I hope you enjoyed cleaning with me. I really hope that these are the kinds of videos that you enjoy watching. I made it because it's the kind of video that I enjoy watching. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this one. Me battling with my piles of laundry and all the junk that seems to accumulate every time I turn around. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do that. This is a place where we talk about all things personal development, intentional living, and dream chasing. I'm on a mission to create my dream life, and I'm taking you along on the journey, so don't miss out. And a big shout out and thank you today to all of my patrons over on Patreon for supporting me, helping me to build a community of like-minded, passionate people. I am so excited to be back over there, and I'm so grateful to everyone who's part of it. And now I need to probably just lie down here for a second and decompress, because that was kind of a lot. I love you so much. Remember that you are enough just as you are, and I will see you next time. Bye!
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd know.